If you want to move text in GIMP quickly and accurately, this tutorial will walk you through the easiest method step by step. Whether you're arranging text for a thumbnail, a banner, or any other design, knowing how to reposition text properly can save you a lot of time and frustration. And if this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple GIMP tutorials just like this. First, open your project in GIMP and make sure your text is already added. In the Layers panel, find the text layer you want to move. This is important because GIMP moves based on the active layer, so if the wrong layer is selected, nothing will happen the way you expect. Click directly on the text layer so it becomes highlighted and active. Next, activate the Move tool. The fastest way to do this is by pressing M on your keyboard. You can also select it from the toolbox if you prefer using the mouse. Once the Move tool is active, go over to the Tool Options panel and make sure the correct mode is selected. You want it set to move the active layer. This tells GIMP that you want to move the selected text layer itself, not just part of the image or a selection. Now click anywhere on the canvas, preferably directly on the text. In many cases, GIMP will let you drag the text once the active layer is selected and the Move tool is ready. If it doesn't respond immediately, just double check that the text layer is still selected in the Layers dialog and that the Move tool is set to move the active layer. These two settings are the key to making the text move correctly. Once everything is set, click and hold your mouse, then drag the text to the exact position you want. Move it slowly so you can place it precisely. This is especially useful when aligning text with other design elements, keeping it centered, or making sure it sits in the perfect spot on your image. If you need more control, you can make small adjustments by dragging it a little at a time until it looks right. If you're working on a thumbnail or poster, repositioning text properly can make a huge difference in the overall look of your design. A small shift can improve balance, readability, and visual impact. So take a moment to compare the text placement with the rest of your layout and make sure it feels clean and intentional. And that's it. To move text in GIMP, select the text layer, press M for the Move tool, set it to move the active layer, then click and drag the text into place. It's a simple process once you know where to look. If this guide helped you out, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more easy GIMP tutorials. Thanks for watching.